We have the three of us stand here together.
I'm gonna get you right now.
Like the family we
Ilagay ko muna.
once were. And always will be. Ladies and gentlemen, Maria Cristina Cassandra Cuneta Concepcion.
Ito ang madalas kong pinagdadasal na sana one day we could sing a song together. I'm not alone.
I'm glad you came last night.
But this was a surprise. This
Yes.
I just found this out.
This is impromptu.
Last
Bigla.
night.
Ang galing mag-aral nito kasi alam mo naman, nasa iyo ko man.
Ngayon ko lang din na mag-aralan to. Pareho kami.
Pero I have a song for Casey. You have a song for her.
Sing that song.
Usually, this song is sung as a love song for weddings, for someone you love. Tonight, I will sing it for my eldest daughter. I have 4 children. I do not have 3. I have 4. The first child to come and make me feel like a mother was this not so little girl beside me anymore. But she made my life complete. And if there's anything I regret,
tigilan niyo yan.
sorry Case, we couldn't give you that complete family. But you have 2 families loving you.
Yes.
And Papa and I never stopped loving you. And you were never the problem.
I love you.
Okay na kayo, ha?
Kanina pa kayo nag-holding hands.
Huwag ka masyado kang chill kasi lagi mong kasama. May naman ng konti. Na may
Makita ko
history.
lang na okay na sila. Okay na rin. I'm happy.
Mag-intertwine na nga yung mga daliri ninyong dalawa pa, ma.
May crush siya.
I know. Kumari ka pa pa.
Sandali lang.
Oh, convenient.
Sandali lang.
Sabi ko may crush sa akin yung papa niya. Sabi niya, I know.
Ma, tagal natin nagsama tayong dalawa lang.
Oo. Sige, kaya nga pagbibigyan kita. Congrats.
Thank you. Grabe, para naman ako nasa isang panaginip. Naku, ano kayo nangyari dyan?
Okay, ikaw marites ka. Chismosa yan eh.
Kinikilig ang...
This is for you, Tutu. This is for you, Kukay, Kachuchay, Katutay, Tuti, Tutut, my baby girl. Hey, LJ.
Saling usap mo.
Ang bigay ng may sa aking dasal.
Walang iyakan!
Sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang mahalin kong baby ko'y ikaw. Ikaw ang tanglaw sa aking mundo. Kabiyak nitong puso ko. Walang ikahatimang sagli. May away na sa likod. Teka lang, moment ko to.
My gosh! Ang sarap niyang makita together sa isang stage.
I'm so happy.
Ngayon kailan may ikaw
I thank the Lord na nagkaroon tayo ng time na ganito. And ang dami kong natutunan from yung napapanood namin lahat dito.
Our story now.
Now, yes.
Even your time of birth.
Yes, wala nga ako dun nung mga Dear Heart days.
Nakikita mo naman, mapapanood mo sa YouTube.
And huli na lang,
Oo.
dahil doon nandito ako. Hindi pa yung Dear Heart, mga later on. Diba? I love you so much. Pa, I love you so much.
I love you too. Let's just put everything together and let's be happy.
Yes.
Yeah,
So-
of course. Enjoy your time together. Your papa will take care of you.
Yes, and Ma, thank you for sa lahat ng single moms na nandito ngayon or naging single mom dati. Thank you for loving your children the way na minahal ako ng mommy ko. And sa lahat ng mga fathers out there na talagang mahal na mahal ang mga anak nila, Papa, thank you for being there just like mom sa buhay ko nung lumaki na ako, tumanda ako. And, you know, yung past na yun eh. But what matters is yung ngayon and yung bukas. And so, pareho ko kayong mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal.
Alright. Mag-usap na lang tayo dun sa likod. Alright.
I will trust in the way I raised you along with Mita and Tatay, all of our extended Gamboa family. I will trust in the way, in all the values we instilled in you. And I'm sure you've made not only me, but your papa very proud.
Thank you.
I love you, Christine.
I love you too.
Don't forget.
You both are my dear heart. I love you.
I love you. Okay. Mag-uusap na lang kami dun sa likod. So the night has almost ended. We have a lot of people to thank tonight. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. First and foremost for coming. Like I said, our friends, our bosses, all our sponsors. Of course, our band. Maraming salamat.
I miss you, Mama. I miss
Talaga
you.
sunduin natin si...
Okay. Ma,
Binigay ni Casey to sa akin kagabi.
Match ng ng mic.
uupo na po ako doon para mapanood ko na po yung concert ninyo.
Oli na sa mga natin
Kailangan
sa
ko
baba.
ng tulong mo, Ma.
Okay.
Love you, Ma. Love you too.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Gabby Concepcion, and the megastar, Miss Sharon Cuneta.
Nakaka-weird naman marinig yung megastar galing sa anak mo. And that is Mike Scherberger. Hindi ko ma-memorize yung last name mo, Mike.
Woodrich. Alright.
Michael Wolverine. From Chicharlan.
We'd like to thank and acknowledge our producers.
Of course. NSY Shows, Nancy Ann, thank you so much. Kuya Monica, thank you so much. The Mega Team, thank you. Gabby's team, thank you. All our staff, our crew.
GMA, our friends,
Yes, our friends from GMA, our friends from ABS.
the actors that came tonight.
TV Fat, all of, my God, I might have forgotten someone. Ay, hindi. Meron palang isang grupo na hindi ko maalala.
Sino yun?
Kasi super fan ako talaga ng isang senador na to. Hindi ko na alam kung sumama siya.
Oh.
Alam mo, sana may tulpo na nung araw. Nandyan si Congresswoman Jocelyn Tulfo. Kasama yung Tulfo family. Congresswoman, nandiyan po sila. Asan po kayo? Dumating kaya? Kasi bumili sila ng tickets. Sana si Sen Rapi kasama, oh. Pero okay na, nandyan na yung dalawang panday. Okay na.
Huwag natin kakalimutan yung banda natin.
Natural,
Louie
headed
Ocampo.
by
Si
Mike,
Artie.
our musical director.
Yes.
The one and only
Artie.
Louie Ocampo. Maestro, thank you, Maestro.
On guitar, we have Artie.
Artie de Guzman.
And on bass, we have Karen.
Karel Manasay.
Manasa.
Yes.
On drums, we have
On drums,
Roxanne.
Roxanne Ruiz. And on keyboard, aba, musical director yan ng The Voice Philippines, Nico
Nico
Rivera.
Rivera.
Thank you, Direk.
our backup singers.
Our backup singers.
Yosha.
Yosha Honasan.
Okay, Brennan.
S. Martinez.
Yes, Ian.
Sui Medina.
Olive Cruz.
And Olive Cruz. Forever and ever.
And Sushi Reyes, my coach.
Yes, your vocal coach.
Yeah. And maraming salamat sa iyo, Sharon.
Salamat din sa iyo, Gabby.
Thank you for making this Dear Heart concert possible.
Thank you for
We're all
making it possible.
very happy, and I think I'm the most happy father tonight because okay na kayo ni Kingston.
Hindi naman
And I love
okay,
you.
okay. Konti lang.
Maraming salamat to sa inyo lahat. Thank you very much for coming tonight. We had a very wonderful evening.
Enjoy ba kayo?
Yes.
Feeling ko kung si Kuya Jerms pwede lang bumangon, talaga nandito yung ngayon ng mga si tatay. Diyos ko.
Mag-ingat ho kayo pag-uwi. Ngayong gabi. Drive safe. Take
We
care.
love you very much. Thank
Ingat
you
po.
so much. And, paano? Di ba?
Dadali na rin sa labas.
Ito na ba?
Hindi na.
Look,
May isa pa?
parang kailangan natin gawin ito.
Ano ba? Meron ba ba? Yung surprise naman.
Masakit yung kanta na yan, di ba?
Okay. Meron kayong request?
Hindi, ito na.
We'll just do it tayong dalawa. Gawin natin tayong dalawa.
Rehearse natin ito.
Ladies and gentlemen, gawin natin. Tayong dalawa.
Masakit na ito, ha?
Ray Valera. Ladies and gentlemen. Tinitikis pa rin ang isa't isa. Lagi na naman bang ganito ang buhay natin?
At sana'y pakinggan ang pakiusap ko sa'yo.
Hindi ko na hinahanap yaman sa mundo. Pagmamahal mo lang ang tanging hinahanap ko. Maaari ba sana'y tayong dalawa ay isa't isa. Di na matitiis paghihirap ng dibdib.
Sana'y nadarama mo rin
isa-isa
Thank you. We could never thank all of you, our loyal fans, for supporting us since Dear Heart in 1981.
Natatandaan pa ni Gabi ang list na nasasalamatan natin kung may appearance tayo, yung National Sharon and Gabi.
Yes, pinasalamatan natin sila lahat. Ang dami naming mga...
Solid Sharon and Gabi,
Yes, mga
exclusive
fans.
mothers, exclusive daughters.
Exclusive daughters, ayan. Yan po.
Yan, ang napakarami ninyo.
Okay, lahat tayo ay umabot na sa puntong namumuti na ang mga buhok. Parang kantanya yata yun.
So
Basta,
this is for
sama-sama
all of
tayo
you
lahat.
actually.
Sama-sama tayo lahat.
This is for all of you. Thank you for coming tonight. We love you. We hope you enjoyed our trip down memory lane. We love you from the bottom of my heart and we are forever grateful. Maraming salamat po. Mahal namin kayo.
Katingo.
Katingo! I can't read that. Why are you doing this to us at the last minute?
McDonald's!
McDonald's!
Happy New Year, maraming salamat.
Converge! Thank you so much, Converge!
Thank you very much.
Asian Prime, OIV Clinic, thank you. Dr. Arnold Angeles, thank you for removing the extra skin from my arms. I love you. Where are you, Doc? Please stand up. I love you. And thank you to
Mandarin Sky Seafood Restaurant. Ayan.
Botejo.
Robert Blancaflor Group.
Robert
Ayan.
Blancaflor Group.
SM Tickets.
SM Tickets, thank you so
Maraming
much.
salamat. SM Mall of Asia Marina. Maraming salamat. Of course.
You did not
Anything
tell
else?
us
Baka
about
kami
it.
nakakalimutan?
Okay, of course, I want to thank all of our other friends who came. Bayani and Lenlen Agbayani, my Kuya Jovet, and Gina Reyes, I
Sino ba yung
love
hindi natin
you.
nababati?
Michelle
Marita, sorry.
John Estrada, Priscilla Mireles, we love
Thank you, Tom.
guys. Sino ni John? Love you guys. Cherry Pie Vicache.
Reggie Manda is
Danielle
here.
is here. Jamie
Carol Shane is here.
Rivera. Miles Ocampo, my other daughter.
Alec is here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Aramina, thank you, Hazel. Actually, De Leon is here.
Ali is here.
Thank you
Isadora.
again, Dr. Ivy, the Ivy Clinic. And Nino Mulak is here.
Ano si Nino?
Onin! Wala si Aga, si Onin nandito.
Beauty daw, maraming salamat din.
Thank you so much, everyone. We love you.
Maraming salamat. Juno Kasi, thank you very much.
Yes.
Galileo Linde. Ayan. See? Maraming salamat everybody.
love you, everybody.
Stay here. Take care.
Good night. Thank you.
This is
Panoorin po ninyo yung video.
dream come true. And even as they go back to their normal lives and their own families, this moment will always be in our hearts. A happy ending of love, forgiveness, reconnection, and friendship. Fairy tale pa rin naman, di ba? Sincerely yours, dear